Ricky.
Hey. Holy mackerel.
Man, look at these.
You think it will wreck my bike?
No. Oh, it hit me in the head.
Look at this scale.
Remember, that lady was right. I'm taking a movie.
Thank God we're in this town.
Look at this. That could
Look at
have
that.
been
Look at
us.
hitting the water.
Yeah.
Shit.
Unbelievable.
Marble size scale. Marble size scale. Look at that one.
Wow. We're lucky to be alive.